Hello YouTube, this is CardCraze2539, and this is the 4th of July fireworks. Wow. I love those giant fireworks. That was cool. Oh, sorry, my finger was blocking the camera for a second. My favorite ones are the giant ones and the circled ones. They look cool. Over here, there is people lighting other fireworks that they're not supposed to, so I'm guessing that that's illegal. I like those ones that move too. And I like the ones that make shapes other than circles. Those look cool too. I'm pretty sure that's illegal. So the noises coming over there to my right are other fireworks that audience members are lighting. And that is illegal. So do not do that. Okay, well, I'll probably have to make another video, so please comment telling me how your 4th of July was, and I'll make another video.